How to delete Bybit account permanently. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you on how to delete Bybit account permanently. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, we will launch Bybit app on your device. Sign in to your account with your credentials. Then tap on profile icon at top left corner of your home screen. Scroll down and look for the option of Help Center and Contact Support and choose Help button. From the self-service section, you simply need to swipe to the left and then look for the option of Deactivate account. Tap on it. Go through all the consequences of deactivating an account and then checkmark this button. After that, you simply need to checkmark I have understood and agreed to the above action. And now, answer your reason. Tap on Deactivate this account and choose Confirm button. You have to do the verification process by entering the code. And after the verification process is completed, your account will be deactivated, and after certain days, if you do not reactivate your account, it will be permanently deleted. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.